Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards, and in the back, you can kind of see that we've got a little test pattern going on here. Well, unfortunately, we don't have the model that I want to talk about today here at the showroom floor, but it's going to be this guy right here, which is the BV AVTPG 8K. So why is that a little special? Well, this bad boy is now an award winner. Won Best of Award at ISE. So we're really stoked about that. We're really happy that it's really coming along. We're one of the only people out there to have actually kind of gone and secured 8K test pattern generators and analyzers, and it's really paying off. So if you're in the market for 4K or 8K test pattern generators and analyzers, we've got a whole lineup here. Like we talked about earlier here at ISE, we went over all of the models that we had on hand, but you know where to find us. It's going to be at BZBGEAR.com. You can give us a call, you can surf the website, you can talk to our customer support there, and we'd be happy to get you along with one of these awesome 8K test pattern generators. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you guys at the next video here at ISE.